the CPU is greater than 90%, what will happen? SNS will come into picture, and SNS will either send an SMS to you, or either it can send an email to you saying that Are Babu, on EC2 something is going bad. If the CPU utilization is greater than 90%, please come and check. Understood? So remember, this CloudWatch is used. CloudWatch is used to monitor AWS resources. AWS resource meaning is it specific only to EC2 CloudWatch? No. It monitors EC2, it monitors ELB, it monitors S3, it monitors RDS, whatnot, etc. Everything it will monitor throughout the AWS. Okay. In CloudWatch, we create alarms to monitor AWS resources. Correct. It's a monitoring tool. It's a native monitoring tool from AWS, guys. Someone put the question. I'm going up. So monitoring tool not required in AWS. Why, sir? Correct me if I'm wrong. Why not required? Okay, you mean a separate monitoring tool, right? So guys, that's what I'm coming there. Either you can use a native monitoring tool called CloudWatch from AWS, right? But many of the companies, they also go for the third party monitoring tools. So guys, what are the monitoring tools that you use in your companies? There are different. You have Splunk, you have Kibana, you have Pingdom, you have Datadog, Dynatrace. There's so many are available. So basically in CloudWatch, so see, as App Dynamics, correct. So if you go to third party tools, you have a nice views, nice reports, each and everything you can monitor, but CloudWatch is native, right? So there is some limitations there. So up to certain level you can do it, but all kind of customizations and all, this CloudWatch cannot do it. No, that's why people go for the third party tools. Okay, but CloudWatch can also do the monitoring. So do you all agree this CloudWatch monitor performance? So CloudWatch monitors the performance. So here we have two types of monitoring, guys. What is that? We have two types of monitoring. The called basic monitoring and detailed monitoring. Right now, basic monitoring and detailed monitoring. Basic monitoring and detailed monitoring. What is this basic monitoring? So basic monitoring, and right, you will get the data points every 5 minutes, which is free. Detailed monitoring, you will get the data points every 1 minute, which is charged. So, what is meant by data point here? So, guys, whenever you go to EC2, so if you go to CP utilization, guys, in our laptop also, if you go to the taskbar, it will give the graph, no, like nice graph, and then it will give the data points, how much CPU percentage, right? At what time, how much is the CPU percentage, right? Nice graph. So these are all called data points. These are all called data points. Same way for EC2 also. So you will have a nice, basically, you'll have a graph like this, the CPU utilization graph. And then if this basic monitoring, let's say for example, 9 o'clock, you will get a value at 9 o'clock. The next value is at 9.5. Next value is 9.10. Next value is 9.15, 9.20, like this. Every 5 minutes, you will get the values. That is called basic monitoring. Whereas coming to detailed monitoring, let's say, for example, 9 o'clock, 9:01, 9:02, 9:03, 9:04, like this, every 1 minute, you can monitor the SIP utilization. Understood? So that is basic monitoring and detailed monitoring. So basic monitoring is free. You don't need to enable anything. By default, they will give you for free. But if you need to go and monitor every minute, then you need to enable this detailed monitoring where it will be charged. Is this clear, everyone, on the CloudWatch? Just a trailer on it. Okay. Why third party is good compared to CloudWatch? Please repeat. Should I give the example? Okay. Everyone at house have a watch, wall clock, correct? A simple wall clock. Hmm? Yes or no? We have wall clock, a big wall clock. Then why you have smartwatch on your phone? Hmm. Watch is enough, no? Why you have mobile phones? Hmm. So you have more features. Simple example. Okay. We know time anywhere we can time anywhere we can get to know. But why you have separately watch? Why you have separately a phone? Why you have separately nowadays smartwatch? Everything is there, is coming there. Huh? Yes. So it's all about features. Okay. So there is also another monitoring service which is called Cloud Trail. What is that? Cloud Trail. This also write down that word, Cloud Trail. Cloud Trail. Cloud Trail meaning it's also used for monitor, but this is different. It monitors entire AWS environment. Sorry. It monitors entire environment. That meaning, what does it do? It records, it monitors, it tracks. It's used for auditing, etc. It logs, etc. Everything, guys. Whatever is happening in the AWS, everything is getting recorded, just like event recorder, event logger. Guys, we have the event log in your laptop also, event viewer. So whatever is happening in your computer, in your laptop, everything is getting recorded over there, no? Right? Same way here also in CloudTrail, whatever is happening in the AWS environment, everywhere, any click, anyone is doing something, everything is getting recorded in this event, in this CloudTrail. It is just only to log, and we can use those logs for tracking, auditing, and etc. It's an event logger. It cannot do anything. It just logs. Same way, there is a service called config. This also used for monitoring, but it monitors the changes in AWS resources. There's changes. For example, I have something, but something got changed. Let's say I have 4 GB RAM of this EC2 instance. Someone has changed from 4 GB to 8 GB. Can CloudWatch can pick that change? CloudWatch can monitor that, the change? No. So who will monitor that change? The changes, all these things can be monitored by config. Guys, understood the difference between CloudWatch, CloudTrail, and config? If not, I'll tell a joke. CloudTrail is also there, sir. Okay, I know. So let me tell a joke. Okay, you should take it as joke only. Huh? No offense. No manabhaval tapatinings. Hmm? Okay. So, but that's a real fact. I always give this example to everyone. See, do you have a habit of going to gym, or have you went before? Okay. Okay, there are girls also, boys also. They are going to gym. Good. I also have it. I also had a habit to go to gym. Okay. So, guys, this is for guys, boys. Boys, generally, when we go to gym, okay, so we have a trainer there, correct? We have a trainer. And trainer, we go and wish the trainer, and trainer will say that I will ask, hey, trainer, what I want to do today. So he'll say that he'll give a big list. Do 20 minutes of jog, sit-ups, pull-ups, push-ups, and then 20 minutes cycling, 20 minutes pedaling, 20 minutes that, and then do this, that, and then he'll give a very big list. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. So this will always happen. Probably, I think you also might know, but this I always see these things. So let's say, for example, I'm picking up, I'm doing the weightlifting of, let's say, 30 kgs, for example, or 50 kgs. So we are doing the weightlifting, and then when you're lifting it, you will be dying lifting it. Like this, you are screaming, and then you could not able to manage, and you are lifting that heavy weight. And this trainer, what he do, he look it from far and say that, yes, you do it, do it, do it. From long itself, he'll shout, you do it, right? But somehow a girl there lifting 2 kilograms of dumbbell, that guy will come fast running, and then he'll give the support to that girl. It's 2 kilograms of dumbbell, and he started giving the support. Do like this, do like this. अबे साले हम लोग यहाँ पे मर रहे हैं, right? Do you all agree this happens to you also? Yes, it happens to me also. So men will is always men, huh? It's not a problem of girls, the problem of men only. So So let's say, for example, guys, we have a trainer and we have a girl here. Okay. So trainer, what he do, he does he do the monitoring, close monitoring of the girl. Correct? Trainer is doing the close monitoring of the girl, how the girl is performing. Correct? How the girl is performing, trainer is closely monitoring it. So here I would say trainer is like CloudWatch, where he's doing the monitoring of EC2. EC2 is a girl. So he's doing the close monitoring there. So, but the thing is, this also happens, guys. Let's say your trainer comes and say that, hey, girl, first do 2 kilograms of dumbbell, next 5, next 10, next 15. Or he'll say to us also. So, guys, generally tell me what you do. When you do 2, will you do 5? Tell me honestly, or will you jump to 10? So there might be people, what they do is they'll jump, they'll jump to 10. There are this type of people also. They don't do 5 directly, they go to jump. They jump to 10. So whenever you are jumping from 2 to 10, the trainer will come to you saying that, hey, have you done 2-5? Then you said yes. But there will be a nasty friend next to us saying that he said that no trainer, he or she missed 5. Correct? There will be a friend no who will be monitoring the changes. So that friend is nothing but config. The friend is config where he will keep on monitoring the changes that you are doing. Correct? So the trainer is monitoring the performance of the girl, and who is monitoring the performance of the trainer? The trainer's performance also is getting monitored by the CCTV. And that CCTV is nothing but cloud trail. Everything is getting recorded over there in the gym. So if you consider gym as an example of AWS, then that's the difference between all these three. CloudWatch, EC2, config, CloudTrail. Is this clear now? Good. Super. Okay. So coming to AWS support. So AWS, we have AWS support. There are different types of supports from AWS, which is called basic support, developer support, business support, enterprise support. Okay, we have different types of supports. So basically, guys, do you all agree? And by the way, there should be one task for you this weekend. The first task for you is everyone by Monday, by the time you come to the class, everyone should have AWS console sign up, right? I want everyone to go to Google and just type AWS console sign up, give your details, give your original names, right? And then give original address and give your credit card or debit card details, right? Set up that entire account ready. And you know to go anything, just set up. Those who have already have the accounts, make sure that your account is less than 1 year. Okay. If it is not 1 year, make sure that you create it again with a fresh new one. Okay. I want everyone to go ahead and then set up your accounts. Don't ask me how to set up. You are genius going here and there and signing up here and there, that website, this website, subscribe, everything you do. But when we ask to go and sign up to only one small AWS console, you'll say how, why, and all. So yeah, it is very easy. It's just like how you're signing up to your Gmail account, Yahoo account. Same way, AWS account also you have to sign up. Okay. So when you sign up that AWS account, Oi Babu Suresh, you are saying that you are non-IT. Are you okay? Hold on. Do you have Gmail, Suresh? Okay, you have what other emails that you have? Yahoo Mail. Okay, you have only Gmail. Okay, so you have what kind of OTT platforms that you have? Oh, you have Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, Amazon. You have Netflix, Prime Video, Flipkart. How do you sign up all those things? You're non-IT, no? I'm not saying to you, everyone. So nothing. So until we go and try, we don't learn anything. Okay. So no one will come and help you to, right? I'm doing spoon feeding, but you have to chew it. Okay. So guys, it's very simple. Okay. Just sign up. Yeah. Come on. It's very easy. Okay. So you just go here, AWS sign, AWS console, sign up free. We know we have that habit of free, no? So see, so do you see this free cloud computing service? Click on it. Create a free account. Okay. And then what is saying here? Root user email address, your email address, riyashek@boombadal.com. Hmm? And give some your name, Riyaz. Next, verify email, right? So here, verify email address. When you click on verify email address, so an email will come to you. Just click on it, and then click on next, 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 and then give the details of your address, where you stay, that etc. 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 Okay, hold on. So I know. Okay. Okay. Sign up. Do you see? So this is how you get. This might be an old one, but however, you will get like this only. You will get email ID. Give your nice email ID, password, confirm password, and then it will ask whether account type is professional or personal. This is your personal, no? So give personal. Give your full name, phone number, country. Select India. Address you give. Don't give wrong address. Give correct address only. So no recovery agents will come. Don't worry. Okay. Give the right address, city, state, postal code, right? And then create account and continue. Simple, macha. And then it asks for credit card, debit card details. Okay, give the expiry date, etc. Right? To verify it, they'll so there's some security checks will happen. Some OTP will come and sign up. That's it. And they'll charge you ₹2 for it, and they'll return it back to you. So this is how you sign up. Once you sign up, and it will ask for what is the support do you want to select. Guess which support do you select? Here, basic support is free for you, right? What is that? Basic support is free for you. Basic support is free. So which is the support that you should select? Basic support. And developer support will take $100. Business support will take some few more dollars. And enterprise support, it is $15,000 per month. So Pusuk don't select enterprise support. So stick with only the basic support. Okay. And then guys, by this I got to understand one thing. See, from next week we are jumping into the services. Okay. Okay. Tell me guys, which is the first service that we go and learn as per the services that we have learned here? Think and answer. Yes, IAM. So IAM, so many people will go and jump on EC2, but that's not correct. So IAM is a service where we need to go ahead and then learn first. So from Monday, what we do, we go with the IAM, we learn all technical logics, right? And then once we completed IAM theory, logics, everything, then we will do the practicals on IAM. So this is how I go so that you don't even feel that I'm taking the classes. And your practicals also will become very, very, very simple because logics we are clear. Okay. So it doesn't matter for me how long we are taking, but it just matter how much you are taking in your brains. So from Monday we learn IAM practical deeper. Sorry, from Monday we learn IAM theory deep with logics, all the certification questions, etc. like this, and then we go to practical. Next we go to some other service. We learn logics theory, and then we'll go to the practical. Like this, we'll be doing it. Okay, and then another important thing is whenever I'm giving the practicals, 99% I'll do the practicals in front of you. That 1% in each and every service, I will give you one task which you need to explore. So exploring is a very, very, very important thing in your real time, because not every requirement we will learn here, and we cannot assume that. So whenever you get any new requirement in your company, you should be able to go ahead and then search in internet, find out the nice articles and implement it. So I'll make you a habit that in every service, I'll give you one or two maximum exploring topics where you need to go ahead and explore. I'll give you the background, everything. The only thing is you need to do the practicals on it. Okay. So this kind of, so I'll make you habituate. I'm making you ready to go and hit to your market or industry. Okay, this is how the approach we go. Thank you. So any questions still here? Okay. So guys, are you ready to see how the console looks like? Yes, you can. Okay. So going to AWS console. Ready? Excited? So before that, I would say, don't panic. Do not panic. Okay. Why I said don't get panic, right? Because uh, so congratulations to your eyes that you are able to see the console, AWS console. So guys, this is not the console what we have at the moment. Okay. This was the old console, right? This was the old console. See guys here. Sorry. Okay, now you should tell me what you know. See guys, when I go, just assume me here. I went to the console and I saw all these things. Then I saw, okay, so we know EC2. Everyone put yes. Lambda, S3, storage gateway, Glacier, CloudFront, RDS, DynamoDB, Elastic Cache, Redshift, VPC, Direct Connect, right? IAM, Trusted Advisor, CloudTrail, Config, CloudWatch, Beanstalk, SQS, SCS, SNSC. Mostly we learned all the things, most of the services we know. Then what I thought, okay, there are only few couple of services only, right, that we know that we need to learn. I was very happy. Then later, the console has become like this in 2017. I thought like, okay, there is no green color, color. So everything, they made it plain. So I was okay. And later, the console has changed like this, right? The console has changed like this. This is also not a latest one, but it's mostly that it looks like same. Guys, the big difference here is, do you see this scroll bar? So that meaning the number of services has drastically increased. So do we need to really worry about all the services that AWS is providing it? 100% no. That you have to keep in mind. So we are not here to learn robotics, blockchain, satellites, right? Alexas and all. So whatever is required, the core services that we'll be learning it. And once we learn that core services, you should be able to take up the new services as well. Let's say once you learn all the services that what we have learned till now, let's say for example, you went and do the workspaces. For example, I'm taking workspace. So can't you go to the workspace and read what is workspace and how do you do and all? It's easy because you know the background of everything. So you just only click, 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 read some article, click, click, and do it. Understood? So do not worry about the services here, right? So all the core services we will be learning. Okay. So the task for you is to go and set up your AWS accounts, right? And then keep it ready. Okay. Any questions? Ask questions if you have any questions. Yeah, pricing techniques, that's a part of our theory only. So we will say which to do, what not to do, and then what are the things that we should be careful to do. Everything is a part of journey only, pricing. What's the difference between cloud engineer and AWS solution architect? Solution architect, what he do, he set up an entire house. Cloud engineer will go and do all kind of dancing inside it. When we sign in, do we have to go to root account or IAM account? I told you this. Whenever you are signing up to the AWS console, you will be root user or IAM user. You will be always root user. Forget about IAM user. I'll take care of that. Tomorrow we do have class, sir. What should I say? ఏం చెప్పను for no macha, no class. Sunday is fun day. Yeah. One day at least I should give some to my throat. So next question is, sir, how about Lightsail? It's not a service from AWS. Lightsail is service from AWS. No, we have covered that. And sir, in solution architect solution, only core services questions comes. Whatever we do, it will come. Can we use debit card also creating a? Yes, you can use debit card, but sometimes RuPay card doesn't work. Keep that in mind. RuPay card, Visa, Mastercard, all those things will work. What about exam? AWS ask only key service or all related questions. Don't worry on it, Macha. I'll take care, no? He doesn't want to miss you, sir. Yeah. These services are, yes, yes. CloudWatch are enabled the default. We launch EC2 and enable to them. Don't worry, we do that, no? Okay, Convoy. So that's what CloudWatch by default, 5 minutes basic monitoring will be there. You want to enable. CloudTrail is also getting recorded. Config, we have to enable it. Sir, why we going on emphasizing on S3? That much English I don't know. What is that? Why we are going on emphasizing on S3? I didn't understand that question. Please put it, Pooja, again. Any service for job scheduling? We have learned, no? Guys, what job scheduling, what we had? Event bridge. In So using event bridge, and there is service in CloudWatch also we can do the scheduling, cron job. Okay. So she means you pay more important giving to S3, I guess. Did I? No, ma. I'll give equal importance for. I mean, S3 is one of the most important core service. You know that? 100% yes. No. Why? Guys, did we talk more about S3 all these days? No, I don't. On that day, we spoke only one paint. S3, why? What is S3? What do we do with the S3? Buckets, objects, keys. That's it. And then later we go into the deep dive. We'll talk more about S3. Okay. Theoretically, it's yes. Don't worry. No practicals. I'll take care. No. You are in the halfway journey. So how do I leave you like that? Huh? Don't worry. I'll take care of practicals also. Hey, it is with is Jujube. Practicals are Jujube for you. Any service for available on AWS application testing? No. Please suggest if you can book the exam. Yes, you can. You can, but don't book now itself. No. Why? It is not like train tickets. It's not like a flight tickets. After 3 months, you will get for lesser price and all. Okay, so just hold on. When I tell after end of the class, you can start booking it. Jujube meanings very easy. Sir, do we need to manually track when the AWS account goes out for 1 year validity or will it expire automatically after 1 year? It will not expire. It will not expire automatically. So you need to make sure that 1 year you have to track. Yes. Who is the Spock for me? I need to remember their names. Yeah, sir, you joked. Sugar patients, yeah. So I cannot help for sugar patients. You know what? Okay, I should not get. Okay, I should not tell that now here. Sir, using CloudWatch application modeling. Yes, I already answered this. Yes, application modeling is also possible. There is no high availability for Riaz, sir. Single piece in the entire world. Okay, so okay, who is the Spock for me? Who is the volunteer who will be in touch with me? Rohit. Spock is Rohit. Rohit is for WhatsApp group for sending emails, for collecting materials. Sirisha is there, no? Sirisha, you there, no? Sirisha, send me an email to me today. You have my email ID? Okay, send me an email ID saying that, sir, this is Sirisha from 9 a.m. batch. Could you please share the material? So I'll send the material. Send it mail. So if I have thousands of emails unread, okay, so send me an email again and I'll share the material. So guys, and another thing, important thing, I don't share the material everything in one shot. Again, I'm worried about sugar patients because when I share the material everything, what the sugar patients will do is they'll go and read all the materials in over one day, one night, and they'll come back and started asking that question, these questions. I don't understand this, understand that one, this one. Why, macha? No need to worry about all these things. Throw it off everything. Just come to the class. That's enough. Right? So whatever I have covered, I'll be sending only those materials. Just guys, you know one thing? My paint speaks more than my material. You don't even